We're about to go aboard the Avalon Panorama from Basel, Switzerland to Amsterdam. Hi, I'm Jody.
And I'm Kelli.
And we're JK Cruising.
The sun was just coming up and the snow-covered ground made for a beautiful train ride. And the houses were so cute. We did have to change trains at one point, but it was around lunch. And the train station, there was fresh bread, salads, sandwiches galore, even some desserts. It was a nice lunch. Then it was back on the second train and watching snow-covered ground again. This was so different from your typical ocean cruise. They met us at the taxi, got our luggage, took it inside for us. It was so nice. It was snowing when we boarded, which made it even more magical.
And this is the first thing you see.
Coming in, you have your wardrobe here, plenty of storage, shelves on this side, along with robes and slippers that they provide, and blankets. And we have more shelves, refrigerator,
Fully stocked.
fully stocked, yes, and you can order more right here. And cute little desk and couch and beds. We opted to have the twin beds put together. And then this slides out the whole way to make basically your balcony.
It's snowing outside, so this is going to be kind of quick. But it slides back twofold. And out there
Is the Rhine River.
is the Rhine. Oh, it's chilly out there.
Then you have beds and nightstands and put your TV.
Oh, it's chilly. Okay, so here's a little couch you've got, a little table you can sit at, a chair. There's the bed. You've got plenty of room on both sides. We've actually got some luggage just thrown over here out of the way for the moment. So you got plenty of room to walk up on both sides. Yes, thank you. It's freezing cold.
Which I have to say is pretty darn nice for a ship.
Comes with body lotion. Comes with shampoos and shower gels and stuff. If you don't want to bring your own, you can just use theirs. It's a stand-up shower.
Trash can. Plenty of storage. Nice little setup. Unpack. And we've got evidently our schedule on the TV for tonight. Our room is the cutest room ever. We really enjoyed it. It never felt crowded. The service was above and beyond. They keep your refrigerator stocked. You just write on the little tab what you want and they fill it up every day. We hope you enjoyed the video, and remember, You only have one life to live.